In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails on Yahoo Mail. First, open your browser and head to Yahoo's official sign-in page. If you see your account listed, click it to continue. Otherwise, type in your email address and proceed. Enter your password on the next screen to sign in. If you're prompted for verification, follow the on-screen steps to confirm it's you. Using the correct login page and signing in securely is important because the recovery request is tied to your account. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right and click Mail to open Yahoo Mail. At the top of the mailbox, open your account menu and choose Account Info, then select Help. When you see the Help prompt, click Go to open the Yahoo Help site in a new tab. We're heading there because Yahoo handles message recovery through its support tools. On the Help site, find and click Recover Lost or Deleted Emails. This article explains how recovery works and includes the link you need. Click Send a restore request to begin. A restore request asks Yahoo to try to bring back messages from a recent snapshot of your mailbox. It's most effective when submitted quickly, and there are time limits, so the sooner you request it, the better your chances. You'll now see a form. Under Describe the problem, choose the option that best matches your situation, like missing emails or accidental deletion. Next, open the menu for When did you last see the missing messages? And pick the closest time frame you can remember. The more accurate you are here, the more targeted the recovery attempt can be. In the Yahoo ID field, enter your account identifier exactly as it appears. In the email address that you have access to field, provide a current working address where Yahoo can contact you with updates about the requests. Complete the recaptcha to verify you're not a bot. When everything looks correct, click Create request to submit. After submitting, keep an eye on the contact email you provided for confirmation and follow-up details. Recovery attempts can take some time, and not every request can be completed, especially if the messages fall outside Yahoo's recovery window. While you wait, avoid major changes to your mailbox so the process isn't disrupted. If the recovery succeeds, your messages will reappear in your account, and you'll receive an update letting you know. That's it. You signed in, opened Yahoo Mail, went to Help, started a restore request, filled in the details, verified, and submitted. Act quickly, be precise about when you last saw the messages, and monitor your inbox for updates. Thanks for watching.